Order may isang tonic water. O niya, suko ka ba niya? Nag-agree. Alam ko dito.
It's so nice to have you.
Sa online trade na mahal pa ako dito sa Libre lighter? Yes, ma'am. The green one.
Another promotion is that if you buy 2 packs of any variant, you will get this one free Marlboro Techline Shadow Lighter. It's a torch lighter and it's a one.
Find it right here tonight. Under Summer Food Picture Show 2009. Alright, so now we are about to find out who the winner is.
Green ang lighter.
Like